Hi, I'm Rob from Flipdish. Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to get set up on your 15-inch kiosk. When you receive your kiosk, you will receive 3 separate boxes. The first box will have your 15-inch kiosk, the second box will have your card reader, and the third box will contain the terminal. The terminal is used to receive your orders instantly from the kiosk. So the first box we're going to be unboxing is the kiosk itself. Within this box, you will receive the kiosk, its power cable, and an Ethernet cable that you can plug directly into your router. To set this kiosk up, it's very quick and easy. First of all, we need to connect it to the power. The power cable goes into the back of the machine, and this can be found on the bottom. When you lift up this flap, you can see right here there's a power port. You need to insert the power cable here. When you plug in your kiosk and you power it on, you will be asked to input your Wi-Fi details. Connect to your Wi-Fi and then allow the self-starting software to load up. You'll be given a 6-digit PIN, which you'll have to enter on the portal for Flipdish. Before we visit the portal, I'm going to show you what the EMV and the terminal looks like and how to configure them. First of all, we have our EMV. It will come in a small box like this, and it will have a power cable, an Ethernet cable, and the EMV itself. This will be set up at the very end on the portal, and I will show you how to do this in the instructional video. So we get our EMV machine, and we have our 2 cables. This part is the power cable that will go directly into a power port. And the second piece is an Ethernet plug. This will go directly into your router. So we connect our power cable to our Ethernet cable. And to do this, we simply connect them like so. And then we can plug this directly into our router, and we can plug the plug directly into our power source. To power on the EMV, you simply attach this socket into the back of the EMV. Once you click it in, you should hear the machine beep, and then you know it's starting up. This will be ready to use in about 30 seconds. Before we visit the portal and register both our terminal and our kiosk, we're going to insert the paper into both machines so that we can receive the orders. On the kiosk, we are given a smaller paper roll. To insert the paper roll, we need to open the kiosk from the side panel.
The cover of the printer is not closed. Please close the cover.
You'll be notified by the machine that there is no paper in the machine, and to insert this, you simply get your roll, you unravel it. Once you insert the paper, you close the panel itself and it will automatically cut the paper for you. Now that we've powered on and configured both the kiosk and the terminal, it's now time to visit portal.flipdish.com to connect these to your account. This can be visited on both your laptop or smartphone. You visit portal.flipdish.com and you'll be asked to log in using your account. You input your email and then input your password and log in. This will bring you to your restaurant's homepage. When you open the homepage, it will show you your homepage and you need to click on kiosks, go to setup, into the kiosk name, followed by the store you wish to attach it to, and followed by the 6-digit code that is visible on the screen. This has successfully saved the changes and it has been added to the kiosk. Next, we can add our EMV, which is our card payment machine, by clicking on the kiosk you've just added and selecting the card reader. You'll see that your card reader is now available to use. You can click on this and it will successfully attach. Now that we've finished all the configuration, we're ready to accept orders. So let's test the machine out by placing an order now. You click Start Order on the right-hand side of the machine. I'm then going to select my main, which is a pizza, and I'm going to go for a margarita, which is going to be 13 inches. I don't want any basil, and I'm going to add this to my basket. Next, I want a drink, so I'm going to scroll down the page and I'm going to find myself drinks, and I'm going to get myself a bottle of still water. Once I add this to the basket, you can see it appear on the right-hand side. Now I want to check out. Now that we're at the checkout page, all we need to do is click Place Order. And you can see that the EMV terminal is now asking us to insert chip and PIN or tap. When we tap, the card reader reads the order. You can see on the screen that it's processing. We've approved the payment. And finally, the order will print out of your terminal. We can accept the order by tapping the OK button, and we're ready to go. The customer also receives their copy of the receipt. So that's it. Very simple and easy. We've set up our kiosk, we've set up our terminal, and we've set up our card machine. You can get yours online now at flipdish.com.